You feel a sneeze coming, so you stop it. Seems harmless, right? But inside your body, that pressure doesn't disappear. It gets trapped. Your chest locks up. Your air has nowhere to go, so it forces its way back into places it was never meant to reach. Up into your sinuses, into your ears, down your throat. That's pressure building in the wrong direction, and your body feels it. But when you let it out, everything changes. The airflow moves the way it's supposed to, clean, direct, and controlled. That's what a sneeze is for. Your body isn't trying to embarrass you. It's trying to protect you.